it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a full guide on how you can go from this to this. So let's get started. So the first step is to prep your skin. आप पहले अपने फेस को अच्छे से वॉश करके मॉइस्चराइज कर दो. देन आई एम यूजिंग वैसलीन एज अ प्राइमर. आप कोई सा भी प्राइमर यूज़ कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ फाउंडेशन. काइंडली ब्लेंड इट विद द ब्रश और यानी ब्लेंडर. मैं ऊपर ही भूल गई थी तो आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट विद माई हैंड्स. So the next step is concealing. Use the concealer in the areas that you want to brighten up. Next step is your eyes. Use a brown pencil under your eyes to make your eyes look puffy, because Koreans have naturally puffy eyes, and use a concealer on it. For eyeshadow, I am using a pink shade. You can use any shade except it has to be light and pastel. Here I am using a lighter shade than the previous one to get the ombre effect. And then you have to apply a long and very thin liner, as you can see how I have applied in my both eyes. And for mascara, do individual lashes as always, and don't forget your lower lashes as well. Don't skip your setting powder because it can cause creasing and make it cakey. For lips, I am using a pink nude shade as a base shade, and then do an ombre lip. I am using concealer as well on my lips because it gives more ombre effect on my lips before applying gloss. Next step is gloss, and use a gloss that should be shinier to give a glossy finish to your lips. For blush, always do the placement at the center of your face. This is the close-up look. Last but not the least is highlighting your face, and I'm using a highlighter stick. Add highlighter on your higher points like your cheekbone, and don't forget your nose. And this is the final look.
Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do.